So it's March 27th, 2019. It's been about 7 months since we've come back to these avocados. So they've been here for 7 months since the last update. And they've grown to about 4 feet at the tallest and 3 feet here with the two on the side. These are two different species, the two on the sides being different from the one in the middle. These avocados were grown in containers that already had tea leaves growing in them. So the tea leaves were there first. The tea leaves were there actually a couple months before I even popped those avocado seeds into there, and I just kind of threw them in there. So you can kind of see there's still remnants of the seed right there. And the avocado is actually, it looks like it just started rooting from the surface, as you can see here. We did cut those tea leaves down to give the avocado room to grow, and it has worked out perfectly because the tea leaves are still alive, yet the avocados have gotten to a certain point where the tea leaves aren't hindering the growth any further. However, when these tea leaves are catching up, and when they do get a little taller, as you can see here, it's still kind of in the way. I don't want them competing for room to grow. So when the tea leaves get a little bit bigger, I'm going to go ahead and cut them again and repropagate the green tea leaf plant. As far as transplanting, I don't know if I'm going to transplant them into a bigger pot or take them to the farm and just stick them into the ground. I do know that being at the farm would be a whole lot better for these plants, but I'm kind of on the edge of it because I'm kind of on the edge about moving them to the farm because I actually like watching the avocados grow and being able to monitor them. I don't know if anything's going to happen to them out there at the farm, and I can't always be there just as I would, always walking out the door and just looking over and seeing the avocados. So I'll determine that here in the near future, but I won't be giving you guys an update until a couple of months because, like I said, I do want you guys to see significant growth and not just constantly watch the same thing over and over. So this will be the update for the avocado plants. They've grown quite significantly and they're doing pretty good. So if you guys got any questions about the growth of the avocado, like I said, I'll give you my answers off the experience of watching these ones grow. Other than that, if I don't know the answer, I'll go ahead and look them up for you. But that'll be the update for these avocados, and we'll come back here in a couple of months.